My name is Karen Teaser. My husband Jim and I live in McGregor, Iowa, and we spend our winters in Mesa, Arizona. I wasn't too much aware of any skin cancers until I met Jim. And Jim had had a couple of melanomas and was very, very diligent about using sunscreen, which I wasn't because my background was always in the sun, on the river, very active outside. And I had a small pimple. It was very, very small, right in the crease of my left nostril. And I would scratch it, it would bleed, it would leave. And this went on for quite a while. So finally in November of 2009, I decided I'd messed around with this thing long enough. And because of Jim, I went to a dermatologist. And he did a biopsy. He diagnosed it as basal cell and wanted me to go to Rochester to have Mohs surgery. Well, we explained to him that that month we were leaving for Arizona, and he said, even better, I'll set you up down there. You'll probably get in quicker than you would even in Rochester. I saw Dr. Nemeth, excuse me, the Mohs surgeon, and she set me up to have Mohs surgery, which I did. She set up an appointment with Dr. Kim, and he was the reconstructive surgeon. And that was a wonderful experience. I had minimal pain. I had 4 procedures that took me up to March 22nd. I looked terrible, but I didn't feel horrible. They started up here at my hairline and flipped the skin down here. I had what looked like smoky link sausage on my nose. And they tucked the cheek under, took a cartilage out of my ear. And so it was a long procedure, not at one time, but spread out. I had pictures taken before, during, and after. And I have used those pictures. I'm an associate in the schools in Iowa. And I showed these pictures to high school kids. And I kind of preached to them about the dangers of the sun. And I was in hopes that maybe I scared them a little bit. I think it was all for a reason. I think the whole thing was. And I am very good now. I wear sunscreen. If you can take the time to put on sun tanning lotion, you surely can take the time to put on sunscreen. And just do it. You know, I just never thought that I wouldn't look as good as I do, and I do look good. You can't tell that I have a new half nose.